Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and this is the initial setup of the Poco F2 Pro. So let's start the video and show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so this is the initial setup of the Poco F2 Pro. So if you guys never had a Xiaomi device, or if you guys never had a Poco device, we could run through this together. I've never had a Poco device, but I've had a Xiaomi. It's been a while, but let's get right into the initial setup. So you have your MIUI 11, life gets easier. You pick your language. You are able to increase the text. Let's try to zoom in so we can see exactly what we're looking at here. Alright, go next. Skip that. So you have your user agreements to see if we're able to skip that or not. Just hit accept. Alright. Alright, checking for SIM card. I do not have a SIM card in at the moment, but you could definitely rock out without it. So you do have your Google services out the box, in case you guys were curious. It seems like a lot of people are not sure nowadays if phones that are not made in the US or for the US, if they have the Google services installed, but this is clearly for the US if you guys are worried about that. Alright, so let's go to accept. I'm just doing this so we could see exactly what we could do when we do our stuff. Okay, remember, got it. So in order to do your fingerprint scanner setup, you have to make a password. Alright, so just make any password. Alright. About the in-display fingerprint scanner, see if you guys can pause the screen for yourself. You definitely can. To be able to use the in-screen fingerprint sensor, normally don't use screen protectors, even though this one comes with a screen protector, so that's a little bit funny. Alright, so let's just do the initial fingerprint scanner. Make sure to always do it from certain angles, because a lot of people don't open up their phones so easily. Alright, and sometimes I like to mix in the left one. Alright, so that's all done. You have your additional settings right there. Wallpaper carousel, personalized ads, automatic system updates, send diagnostic data automatically, user experience, program, and location. Alright, so you are able to choose two different themes. So let's see, does one come with the App Store, or these are just themes as far as the design of what they look like. Let's go with the Limitless, and the setup is complete. Theme applied. Hit the next button. Alright, loading apps. Alright guys, so let's back out a little bit so we can see everything. So here we have the initial screen. So let's just see exactly how everything looks. So as you guys can see, you do have like the box icons there. You have your themes, your music. Google Apps is installed out the box, so you do see YouTube Music, YouTube, which I absolutely need after that whole experience with the P40 Pro and the Mate 30. So these are the apps you get out the box. I have not installed nothing. I didn't do a backup either. You do have a few games here as well, so if you guys want to delete them or disable them, you could definitely do that. You have it in different files as well. So you have communications, entertainment. Here, let me bring it down a little bit. So you have your communication, entertainment, photography tools. Alright, so here are the settings that come out the box if you guys are interested. We could definitely do a little bit of a rundown. So you have your About Phone, MIUI Global 11.06, System Apps Updater, Security Status, SIM cards and mobile networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, connection and sharing, always on display, and lock screen. Let's see how that always on display looks. So you just turn that on. Pick whatever one you want. You could write your own little thing there too. That's pretty dope. Alright. Whole bunch of different backgrounds. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get out of there. Themes, passwords and security, battery and performance, apps, additional settings. So you have a whole bunch of shortcuts that you're able to do. Special features, so you have a LED light, front camera effects, second space, video toolbox, game turbo. So you have a whole lot of features, and you do have your Google account and sync MIUI account. They didn't force me to make one like I did with Huawei, but it's definitely there. So that's about it, guys. This is the initial setup of the Poco F2 Pro. If you guys are interested in what the phone comes with without having to do any type of backup restore or anything like that, this is what it comes with as far as apps and all that stuff. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Poco F2 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.